From that, we turn our attention to the Bank of Uganda that has partnered with Nation Media Group for the last 6 years on the Seeds of Gold Farm clinics. And we are joined by Alex Rwanja, who is the Deputy Director with the Agriculture Credit Facility at the Bank of Uganda, to help us understand how them as a bank have been able to benefit from this partnership in boosting agriculture. Good afternoon to you.
Yes, good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you very much. Nation Media is the largest media house in Uganda and East Africa. And therefore, because it has got platforms, the print, broadcast, and digital media that reaches our people. So therefore, we partnered with the Nation Media simply because we know it has got a wider coverage across the country. And therefore, it reaches the message on Agriculture Credit Facility and the Small Business Recovery Fund to our intended audience, even right at the grassroots. So everybody listens to the radio, everybody views the TV, many people buy the newspapers. Therefore, we found that Nation Media is the right media house to partner with. And actually, Bank of Uganda has achieved its objective of sensitizing the public about the availability of affordable credit under the Agriculture Credit Facility.
All right, Mr. Rwanja, let's talk about the key milestones that you've been able to hit with this Agriculture Credit Facility.
Oh, thank you very much. I will begin by, we have been in position to advance affordable credit to the farmers. Okay, right now as I speak, we have advanced 981 billion to 442,000 projects. Therefore, this is an achievement, a great one. And in addition to that, we also give money to the agro processors. What does this mean? It means that we have contributed to export promotion in the country, and therefore the country has also been in position to earn foreign exchange through the provision of loans to the agro processors. In addition to that, we have provided employment directly and indirectly. Directly, the people who are in the agricultural fields, tilling the ground, and indirectly the people who are involved in processing the agricultural products. So therefore, we feel the Agricultural Credit Facility has played a role in contributing to socio-economic transformation of this country.
Okay. All right. Seeds of Gold is going to Kavale this time round, and I know that you are following them as a partner. It begs the question, as a bank, how are you positioning yourself to address the specific needs of the farmers in Kavale with this facility? That's
right. Thank you very much. We have received several questions about how people can access the Agricultural Credit Facility. We have gone through commercial banks and other participating financial institutions disseminating this information. But right now, the people of Kavale are privileged to hear from the horse of the mouth. Bank of Uganda is going to be with them. We are going to have a conversation to tell them how they can access affordable credit under the Agricultural Credit Facility and the Small Business Recovery Fund. And in addition to that, since we are going to deal with the agricultural experts coming from Naro, the people of Kavale are going to be in position to learn how they can better the methods of production in their area, because they are going to get guidance from the experts in the agricultural field. Yes, please.
All right, Mr. Rwanja, we also want to know, you've talked about access away from the Seeds of Gold farm clinics. How then can farmers across Uganda access, the funds?
Yeah, thank you very much. The only thing that you can do to access this fund, kindly don't look for Bank of Uganda. Don't look for Alex Rwanja or an official. You just go to any commercial banker near you. Go to any financial institution, be it a credit financial institution, be it a microfinance. That is supervised by Bank of Uganda. All these resources go through the commercial banks and these financial institutions, particularly called participating financial institutions. You go there, tell them you would like to access the Agricultural Credit Facility or the Small Business Recovery Fund. They will take you through, tender in your application, they will process and give you the money. And then thereafter, they will send a requisition to Bank of Uganda for us to reimburse the 50% government of Uganda contribution. It is as easy as that.
All right, as the government is pushing towards agro-industrialization as a facility and one who is the leader of this facility, what is your call to action for our audience?
Yeah, the action is kindly embrace the agricultural credit facility, because this agricultural facility gives money in the entire agricultural value chain. So if you're an agro processor, you don't need to go for a credit that is having a higher interest rate. The government has answered your question, has answered your call. Just to go and look for the agricultural credit facility that will lend at only 12% per annum. If you translate it monthly, it is only 1% per annum. I think this is affordable, and the agro processors and other entrepreneurs should embrace, should ensure that they do access this agricultural credit facility.
All right, thank you so much, Alex Rwanja, Deputy Director with the Agriculture Credit Facility at the Bank of Uganda. Proud of the 981 billion Ugandan shillings that has so far been dispatched to thousands of farmers and farming projects across the country, and also promoting export through this particular facility, and also contributing to the foreign exchange that comes into the country, but also employment directly and indirectly, something that the facility does pride in. Do take up that facility at a very simple interest of 12%. You can get the details across the social media platforms, or you can walk into any facility financial institution that they do partner with to get more details. That brings us